He's got the Melody Susie rechargeable nail gel in. Quick unboxing video. Here's his manual. Coupon. Cool. And here's the actual eFile. Really pretty simple setup. Forward, reverse, on and off. So lowest is 3, highest is 30. Okay, we got a handpiece. And we got a bunch of shit in here. Handpiece. A piece to hold to the side, charging adapter, and these. So I'm going to piece it together for you guys real quick. You can connect the clear handpiece holder into the side really easy, and your handpiece will fit comfortably in there if you're hanging on the side of your cart or in your apron. I noticed with this drill, you just got to make sure you connect the cord correctly. You see those 2 arrows. There's an arrow on the actual cord of the handpiece, so connect it correctly. Or I don't think it's going to perform well, or I didn't even try it. I just made sure I followed the directions. I really enjoy working with this eFile. I've been working with it for a couple months now. It really doesn't have a lot of vibration. One only thing I noticed is it does lag if you're going from like a low speed to a high speed. There's like a 1 second lag for it to catch up, but overall, really satisfied with the purchase. It's not very loud, even on the highest setting. I'm going to link this in my Amazon store and check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this eFile as much as I did. Super affordable. Got it off of Amazon. Fast shipping. And I'm definitely going to buy a couple more of these for background. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.